Hello everyone, I'm me, and today I have a favor to ask. Would you like to learn this two choreography? This is a drum solo choreography. And the second one is a Baladi choreography, which I actually learned from Julia Farid in Holland back in 2014. And of course, I actually asked for permission from her to basically put the choreography of this dance online. Alright, if you would like to learn this choreography from Julia Farid, right? If you do, I really hope that you would help me, okay, to achieve my target this year.
YouTube requires a channel to have 1,000 subscribers to be eligible for the Community tab feature.
I really hope to be able to get this feature, please. Alright, so please do help me. If we achieve 500 subscribers by end of June, I will post the simple drum solo choreography for you on my channel. And if by end of the year, we are able to achieve 1,000 subscribers, the Baladi choreography from Julia Farid will be posted on my channel as well. Alright, if you really love this two choreography, I really hope that you help me. Get your friends, your family members, anybody that you know would love to learn to belly dance. Get them to subscribe to my channel and get them to share this piece of information to everyone, and in hope achieve the 1,000 subscribers target by end of the year. Please help me, and please do this willingly, alright? And I will truly appreciate all of you for doing this for me. I'm truly grateful, and I will produce more videos for you so that you can further learn this dance, alright? Thank you so much in advance, and let's do this.